What's up guys, it's Jonathan from Thermaltake Australia, and today we're going to do a studio tour, so I'm pretty excited for that. But before I get into that, I do want to just mention briefly that we're doing a giveaway. We're actually going to be giving away 2 cases, I think, Gillian?
Yep.
Sweet, so 2 brand new C31 Snow Edition cases, which are pretty awesome. So if you want to win yourself a brand new case, then stick around to the end of the video, which I will then go over how you can enter. But otherwise, if you're pretty hyped like I am for the studio tour, let's go up and have a look. So check this out. If I click here, boom, lights. So welcome to the studio. It's pretty awesome. We have made some slight changes when we moved across from the old place, but most of it's pretty familiar. So if you've watched any of our first looks, then it kind of looks the same, but I'll let you know what's a little bit different. We've changed out the shelf and what's on it, obviously. Gigabyte are so awesome, and they've sent us a 2070 and a 2060. We also use their motherboards. AMD is also fantastic. We use all their CPUs, so for their Ryzen series and Threadripper, so we just chuck them up there as well. But behind us, we've got the pegboard. So it's actually practical. We do use it. It holds up the heat gun and then all the tools that we use, and then some. There are stuff that's up there for decoration. Over here, we're actually, the thing that I showed you at the beginning, our RGB lighting, we actually use Philip Hue. So if you're ever wondering what we use, it's Philip Hue. They do have a bridge that you need to connect to like a router or a switch, which is kind of a bummer. For the most part, I just set, complete different patterns, which maybe I should show you some now. So like we have a whole bunch. I updated the app, so I got rid of a lot of the stuff that I normally use, but here you go, I created one called Drama. You might notice as well that we've got padding now, or sound dampening sort of padding. That's new. It was actually in the place when we got it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yep, this is gonna be the room. It should help with some audio levels. I guess I'll show you some of the gear too, which is pretty exciting. We'll come over here and I'll shut this off. So for our lighting, we actually use Genere lighting, just 2 of them. These go up to 6500 Kelvin, or actually they're always set at that, but you can change the brightness, which you probably saw there. We have 2 of them, like I said. We use them for kick lights or fill lights. They're pretty sweet. The other thing that is pretty sweet is our slider setup. So this is our, I think it's called a Shark V2 slider. Can't remember the name too much. We bought it a couple of years ago, but as you can imagine, with a slider and an electric slider, it's automatic. So we use this controller here, and I can set up certain paths that I'd like it to do. We do have a manual head. I swap it out between this one or a Manfrotto. And I'm sure you would have saw this already in the background. Yes, this is our RGB gaming desk. No, it's not really part of the studio, but while it's here, I may as well show you it, just a sneak peek. This thing is so cool. So it's actually an idea from my wife. She uses one for our baby's kind of nursery stuff, for like nappies, wipes, all that stuff. I was like, why don't I just use it for camera gear? So I grabbed a bunch of our foam inserts that we use in power supply boxes, and I cut them to shapes so then like cameras will fit. Normally I have a battery grip there, so that's why there's a big open space. Now our lenses, we have the A6500 that goes in there. Then I have cutouts for all the lenses, or some of the lenses we use. So yeah, it's wicked, it's super convenient. So it's really cool when I'm filming just to be able to move this around. So. And then here's some more shelving from IKEA, and then some more stuff here. That's it, guys. That is pretty much the studio. As you can tell, it's a small space, but it's still a lot bigger, or a lot more, there's a lot more that we can do with this space. But yeah, I guess I should talk about that giveaway now. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the studio tour. Now, if you've stuck around because you want details on how to win one of 2 of these bad boys, our Commander C31 Snow Edition cases. So we're going to be running this competition through Gleam. There'll be a link in the description below. Just follow the prompts on how to enter. I believe you're going to be taken to our Discord, our community Discord. Once you're in there, you'll actually be entered in to win the competition. You will need to remain a member for the duration of the competition to be in the draw. But while you're in there, you will notice we're doing some more giveaways. I'm not allowed to tell you what we're giving away and what we'll be doing in there, but I have to tell you that we're doing giveaways in there. I think that's about it for the competition details. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really enjoy doing these vlogs. We enjoy making these vlogs. So as always, feel free to drop comments down below, suggestions and ideas of things that you would like to see or know from Thermaltake Australia. My name's Jonathan. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog.